This video is about how to carry your kayak from the car to the water by yourself without risking an injury. You may have heard that most kayak injuries happen while putting the kayak back on the car. No surprise here. Especially if I try to put it on this J-rack by myself. That last little bit of lifting is brutal on the shoulders. What if you like to go paddling alone sometimes? Even if you don't believe it's safe, you may want to just get on the water and practice a few skills near the beach. Why not be able to do it without injuring yourself? My solution: forget the J-rack and make some wheels. I was looking at buying some wheels from the store, but I didn't like any of the ones I found. Here's what's missing with most of the wheels I see. You can use them to roll the kayak around, but you still need to take it off the wheels to get it up on the car. That's the hardest part. Here's what I like about these wheels. Based on ancient Chinese wisdom, flexible is called strength. You put them on before you take the kayak off the car. They're close to the end and high enough that the kayak doesn't risk scratching or denting the car. And the kayak doesn't need to scrape the ground either. Okay, maybe I got the wheels a little bigger than needed. I used what I had around the house. They're very easy to make. You need 2 wheels, a dowel to act as an axle, 4 8-inch long pieces of wood, and some bungee. I had the bungee already and the wood. It works well with thicker bungee. And that's it. You drill a hole in the 4 pieces of wood, bigger than the dowel, put the axle through it. The bungees hold it all in place and acts as a bit of a cushion so you don't scratch your kayak. And the flexibility helps it mold to different kayak shapes. There's not much that can break. Now you may be thinking, what if the beach access has logs in the way? What I find is that if I'm willing to take my time, I can easily get over logs without having to lift the whole kayak. If you know anyone who wants a J-rack, send them my way. I'm looking to get rid of this one. I hope this video inspires you to stop carrying your kayak by yourself. It could save you from an injury. Keep your strength for paddling. Thanks for watching.